Hey, hi everyone. Me and Mama are at the store and there's nothing right here in this aisle. Nothing on either of this side. Me and my mom are at Target. We're looking for some stuff. And look at this aisle right here. There's nothing. Nothing here. Just take a look here. Nothing. Nothing here. What? There's nothing here right now? I think there's people been buying a bunch of stuff, so I think we should head back where we were at. So, yeah? Yeah, Mom? You're right here. As you can see, everyone, on whatever you are, these are a bunch of. And Mom, I'm still on here.
Okay. I got fish right here in a bag. I don't want to spend $14.
What? There's nothing? Look at there's the barely stuff here.
They have this kind of cheese, but okay, turn it on.
Okay, that's all for now. Bye.